Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Novell Turtle Creek. It's a beautiful Novell Turtle Creek. This is a 2-bedroom model. I can't wait for you to see it. Wow, everything about the Novell is gorgeous. The hallways are gorgeous. Everything's crisp, clean. It is a super luxury high-rise. You're just going to love it here. So let's walk in and let's see it now. Can't wait for you to see this. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit detailed. We'll probably have to split this up in about 2 videos. But we walk through here. There's a very dramatic walkthrough. Love that. Just love seeing that. Gorgeous. And then over here, you've got a washer dryer area. And then here's the 2 bedrooms. We'll see those on a separate video. And the bathroom. And then the bedroom is over here. But then you've got this gorgeous, gorgeous apartment all waiting for you. Isn't this beautiful? Let's explore it, shall we? Let's do it together. Just a little bit of fun we're going to have here right now. Gorgeous, gorgeous apartment. So we've got a beautiful island, of course. We've got a very nice kitchen, just lovely kitchen. Beautiful quartz countertop. Gas, of course, gas to cook with. Oh, nice features here everywhere. Feels very open, very just welcoming. And of course, these windows are just amazing. Look at these windows, are just gorgeous. I love the layout here, and I love actually the perfect furniture is here too. I love that additional breakfast, small table. Love the built-ins over there. Just perfect furniture here. Really light floors, very nice. You can do just what they did and have some nice kind of chairs or bar stools there. Some easy seating. Very nice ceiling here too. Just everything here is adorable. This has a very nice balcony as well. We're going to look at it, just walk out, and here it is. So you've got a really nice balcony space with some fantastic views of the city. This is the Turtle Creek area. It's right next to Uptown Dallas, and it's near Highland Park. It's near Park Cities. It's near University Park. It's near Uptown. It's near downtown. It'd be a great location to be quickly getting to just about anywhere, including the airport. So this is a beautiful living room and kitchen of the Novell Turtle Creek 2-bedroom. Now we're going to go do one more video. We're going to go see the bedrooms on this one. And so stay tuned. We'll go see that right now. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, or if you'd like a personalized virtual tour, that would be a live tour personalized for you so that you don't have to come in person, we'll then send a text and we'll get that set up for you free as a part of our free service. Send a text right now. We'll take care of you with that right away. And the number is below.